Okay, so for this one, so if you're someone who's not really confident on drawing pictures straight onto your page, you could either cut something out of a magazine, or you could use your tissue paper once again, or tracing paper, and trace over. So here I'm going to use what's going to fit on my page here. So I've got my little birdie here, and I just got to think about what's going to go with this bird. It looks like he's got his mouth wide open, like he might have just eaten a worm or something, or he might be singing. So you can have like one word, you can have a little poem, you can have a song, lyrics, you could have some journaling of what's happened to you today, whatever you choose to put in there. So I'm going to glue him down. Or her, could be a girl birdie. Let's pop him or her down over here. And if you're not sure about whatever pen you've used, always test it first to make sure that it is waterproof. Otherwise you will not be able to put your matte medium over the top of it. But this paint pen is, once it's dry, so I can use that. Use this over the top. Later on, if you wanted to, you could colour the bird in, or you might be just happy to leave him like that. I might put, when he dries, I might put a few little white highlights on there as well. He's dry now, so I might just do a branch for him to come out of, to be sitting on. So let's go over that birdie with some highlight. So I want the early bird catches the worm. Then, just to define this outer border, I might go around that in the white this time. But I think I need this white to be a little bit more bold, so I'm going to go around again just to make it thicker. So on this page I'm going to create a spiral on this page for my journaling, and then the focal point will be on this side. So what I've done is created 4 little marks there, so I know that as I go out I'm going to try and hit those marks as I spiral out. So I'm going to start in the center, and the first one, just trying to keep myself a little bit on the even Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. I'll actually create more interest being imperfect. Alright. So now what I am going to use as my focal point is my star sign, which is Aries. And there are some very, very simple star signs that you can do. Mine, being the ram, is just like a V with the antlers that the rams would have. So it's easy for me. I can just do a V in the center here, and I'm going to write the word Aries across the top here. So if I had the word Aries across here, I want the V to be about there, and then go around. Okay. So into the middle. And then continue around. And I'll write the word Aries up here. Just going to create a little A-R-I-E-S. Let's try and do the E-I around about the center. Now I'm just going to thicken this up a little bit. So what I'm going to do for this one is for the journaling, I'm going to create a V just so it mimics the shape on this page. So let's pop that over here so it's roughly about that high. And I'm going to write very close so the bottoms and the tops of the letters are actually touching. If you have a pencil, just sketch lines to guide you. They can be straight, they can be a little bit wavy, that's up to you. Okay, so there is the 5 different journal pages, all created with the same supplies basically. Which just goes to show you that you don't need a lot of supplies to do art journaling. Very, very simple, very easy, not expensive to get your supplies together. So if you're thinking of art journaling, this just shows you how easy it can be.